guys, it's Ren. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hi if you're new. So today, I am here with my stylist.
Not really stylist, but okay. Let's do this.
So she is going to be doing my hair and makeup for the first meeting for the musical I'm in.
I don't think you can see it.
So Christianna is going to be doing my hair. I'm not really sure what she's doing. She might kill me. I'm keeping these scissors away from you.
I'm not
and
what? I'm not a murderer. Let's get started. Ew, that sounds disgusting.
It's like the intro to like
Let's get started.
your old YouTube videos. Your gymnastics one, I'm pretty sure you said something to the
Hey guys, it's Christianna and I'm doing gymnastics.
Hey guys, it's Christianna here, and today I'm going to do some gymnastics in my living room.
It's a cool video.
No, it's not. It's really bad. Don't watch it.
I'm gonna link it in the end screen.
No, it's so bad. You can't even see me do half of this stuff. And like when I did a handstand, I stood up like for like a second and then I like went right down. Like I just
better than I could do.
I went up and then I just went down, straight down. Well, your hair's really shiny. It's frizzy but shiny, so that's good. Why is your hair so shiny? What'd you use?
I think it's from the thing I sprayed in my hair.
Oh, the frizz stuff?
Yeah.
That's probably what it is. It's like you put like glitter in your hair, kind of. It's not like
What?
It looks really shiny. That's all I'm saying. Your hair's really long too.
Okay.
Just random facts. Your hair. You know, I'm stating the obvious. I'm like Captain Obvious right now. Your hair is so long. Your hair is so shiny.
I'm like Captain America. I'm in America. I mean, murderer.
Your hair is red.
I'm in
Strawberry
America.
blonde. Your hair is strawberry blonde. I'm just stating the obvious here. I'm like Captain Obvious.
Some people say I'm just blonde.
Blonde.
Yeah, and I'm like,
Red
I'm not
hair.
really blonde. It's like
I was gonna say dirty blonde.
like
Strawberry blonde. That's what I would say.
I'm not like a super like redhead, but it's like I'm not exactly blonde.
Disclaimer: you might want to cover your eyes because you might like freak out by what hair might look like.
Yes.
I would be
If you
scared.
haven't freaked out from the ugliness of my face yet, though, you might be okay.
Try braid. Do you mind if I do a braid?
I don't know.
Wait, you want
Last
on
time
your
you
face,
braided my hair was like 2017, and it was a mess, and I said I'd never let you braid my hair again.
right? Well, we're doing it again.
Remember, you even got a bunch of knots in my hair from that somehow.
Did I
It's
really?
like, it's braiding. What did you do?
I did?
Yeah.
Well, that was 2017. This is 2019, so I've changed.
Look, my hair isn't gonna be out of my face enough then for like trying to do my makeup yet. Oh wow.
Oh, I messed it
Wait,
up.
if you like brushed it all back going into like a hair tie,
Oh, yeah, I did do
that might work.
You know, I just didn't want to like. You know what I was gonna say.
Guys, I didn't mention this yet. It's Josh Dunn's 31st birthday,
Oh, man.
and he is
There you
like the greatest drummer. So,
Mhm.
can we get some happy birthday Joshes in the chat?
If I comb your ear, I'm so sorry.
Well, I look like a chipmunk.
What do you mean by like a chickmunk? How do you look like a chickmunk?
I don't know. My cheeks look really big.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Take two. Or do we? I don't know. If I do a bun, I don't get a buns. I just usually do buns on myself, so. Okay, let's see if this works.
I'm like, I don't know what to do. Like, do I still look at like my phone or do I look away? I don't know what to do in these videos.
I'm very good at buns. I think braids probably the best option. I could go like this and just do a bun. Maybe not.
I'm concerned.
You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Oh, you'll be fine. I got this.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around and show you her creation. I don't know what angle to be at. You would see I'm on my
Oh, okay. Wait. Okay. You know, see, Okay, give me a break. It's hard to braid.
Ow!
It's hard to braid.
My duct tape. So Christianna is going to be doing my makeup. By the way, I know this looks bad. It's because I have these strands that I'm gonna wear down, but I just have up for now.
Sorry. Okay.
Alright, ma'am. What should the title of this video be?
I thought you said, oh no, that was a different video.
That's if you want to start doing
messing up my.
ASMR.
Okay, yeah, messing up my friend's face.
But that's if it was on your channel. Cause like that's weird. My friend messes up my face.
My friend, yeah, that my friend messes up my face. Yeah.
What do I
Do you want foundation?
there? Yeah.
Okay, so natural, right? You might have to cover these. Okay. Okay, where's the
primer?
Oh, where's your primer? Is this it?
No,
That's
that's
setting spray.
right. This is my primer.
After.
I
Oh,
need
here's
to,
your
like,
primer.
I'll rub it on my face because it's weird.
Because it's weird. Ew! Oh my gosh! Was it just me or did it, like,
No.
the lights flicker?
Yeah, sometimes
Stranger
it does
Things.
that.
It's
That's
really
why at
Stranger
night,
Things.
like I was watching scary videos last night and I just had that light on and I'm like, no, I'm like, cause it's gonna flicker and I'm gonna get scared, so I turned my lamp on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, watch Sam and
What
Colby.
are you watching? If I'm gonna watch scary videos, I'll watch it in the morning. Or, like, during the day.
I like listening to like Mr. Nightmare's stories, like
Oh, yeah, I've
at
heard of that.
night.
Yeah.
Like when it's not completely dark out and I'll
And
have like
long
my
arts.
blinds open and that's like my only light. Like that's fun.
Okay, foundation. Or no, concealer.
I don't really use my concealer because it just makes my face really oily. So
So-
lately I don't use concealer.
Okay, so I'll just use foundation then.
Would you be down for making an Ouija board video sometime?
Maybe.
Because I want to make some scary videos for my channel.
Do you want me to use a beauty blender?
Yeah, so I have this one and a black one.
You have
Either
so
one
many. You
works.
have like 3
This
beauty
one I just
blenders.
use for like my eyes usually, like blending out
Oh.
my eyelid primer.
Yeah.
I'm kind of off, right?
You are?
Yeah,
Come
I'm like
closer.
this.
Well, come closer then.
Baby, hold me closer.
In the backseat of your Rover that I know you can afford. Ew.
Reminds me of my Musical.ly
TikTok.
days.
Musically TikTok.
Musically was good. TikTok is trash. Oh, you have to shake it first. I don't know if you should shake it.
Oh, yeah, right. Shake it first. I don't know.
Shake it off. Whoa. Remember that Disney show? Shake it up, shake it up.
I've heard. I think I watched a couple episodes, but I never really watched it.
I loved that show. I wanted to be one of those dancers.
Okay. Hey, don't be scared. I did Eureka before, and it's been decent.
That was like 2017.
No, that just means I could have gotten better. Okay. You know, you should have more
It's funny when
faith in-
someone else puts foundation on me, so like you're just hitting me in the face with a sponge.
Second sails float away. Wish I could stay still, give you space. But I wish I could rewind me back.
So now it would be
I heard that.
Oh, sorry. Powder foundation. Oops. And oop. What time is it? Oh wow.
What?
We have like 15 minutes.
Quick, go, go. Sorry, go, quick. Pretty. Just okay is not okay.
So Christianna is going to be doing my
hands are
eyeshadow.
super glittery too. Probably can't see that, but okay. So you want natural, right? So like brown.
Like the lightest browns. I've been doing like really light eyeshadows lately.
You want me
and
to
I
use these
really like
brushes
it.
or?
Usually I only use those for my eyelid, and I use this one for like the base, which I usually do like a non-glitter for like the base, and then like a glitter over my eyelid.
Is this your favorite eyeshadow palette?
Mm-hmm.
Can you really see it?
Okay, just like just don't do it like really hard, because like it'll like move my contacts out of place.
Some people think I'm British. No, one person thinks I'm British. I'm not gonna name names, but you know who he is. Probably.
Garito. So I don't trust her with curling my eyelashes or my mascara.
I wouldn't either.
So
She's never let me do it before. You know, one day I'm gonna do her eyelashes.
is that a threat? Ow!
And we use
My
the
kneecap.
made in China. very educational.
If you want to see more of like kind of a makeup tutorial, you can watch like my Get Ready With Me Honor Square concert. That was kind of a makeup
Yeah,
tutorial.
this is not a get ready with me.
It
'cause I
kind of is, cause like
I don't usually do her makeup. I do it sometimes, but not all the time.
I guess I trust you with my eyebrows, kind of.
Yeah, I've got that, but you know, it's okay.
This lighting sucks. I'm so sorry, guys.
They have good eyebrows though, actually. I mean, they kind of, you can't really see. You can kind of see them, but it's kind of hard to see them. But
Yeah, that's why I like those films.
this shape is, you have a good eyebrow shape.
Yeet.
I've always had weird eyebrows, so I was always jealous that she had eyebrows like this. So, it's like you can actually see my eyebrows, but they're bad, but you can't really see hers. But they're much better than mine.
So this is how I look now. My hair's in a ponytail now with these out, and here's my makeup that I did. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like if you think Christiana's hair and makeup skills are on point, or even if you don't.
They're not.
And subscribe to my channel
I didn't even do your hair.
if you'd like to see more videos of me and of her, and subscribe to her old channel.
Ew, don't.
And yeah, anyway, bye guys. Peace out.
Bye.